Hello, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 12i. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet and tap Add to Wallet. Now focus on Transit Card, Loyalty and Gift Card. First let's select Transit Card, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card and select Loyalty Card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Then let's select Gift Card, and similarly to Loyalty Card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes, and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.